Welcome to etvFutures.com. Today is Monday, March 3rd. I am Caitlin Sisney with your Commodities Open. Crude in New York and gold rose to records after the dollar dropped to an all-time low against the euro, increasing the appeal of commodities as an alternative investment. Oil has risen 27% since September 18th, when the first of 5 cuts to the U.S. benchmark interest rates sent the dollar lower. Also affecting the price of crude were reports that the U.S. launched an airstrike in Somalia and that Venezuela sent tanks to its border with Colombia. Crude is trading at $103.44 per barrel. On the NYMEX, natural gas followed crude higher and is trading at $9.55 per million British thermal units. Gold futures rose to a record $992 an ounce as the dollar fell to the lowest ever against the euro. Gold is now trading at $986.80 per ounce. Silver jumped to its highest since 1980 and is now trading at $20.42 per ounce. Today we're joined by Flynn from Alaron. Phil will give us his outlook for what he says will be a bullish commodities week.
Another commodity crazy Monday as investors rush to buy every commodity they can get their hand on. You know, whether it's gold, it's silver, you name it. All the old hard commodities are running like crazy. This has affected the oil price, which hit a new all-time high and even blew through the all-time high that a lot of people think was the highest when adjusted for inflation. And that has really set the tone for another bullish commodity week. Now, what is this about? Is it about supply and demand? Probably not, because the supplies of oil have been rising, demand has been falling. So it's probably about other issues. Is it about geopolitical concerns? Well, there are new geopolitical concerns, whether it's Russia cutting off gas to the Ukraine, concerns about Venezuela and Colombia coming to blows, or the ongoing tension in the Middle East with Iranian sanctions and tensions between Israel and the Gaza Strip. There's a lot of geopolitical things going on, but at the end of the day, it's all about the dollar. The dollar continues to get weak. People are buying commodities as a hedge against the dollar, and that has set the market to a very strong tone this morning. So oil is really on fire today. It'll be interesting to see if it can continue.
Thanks, Phil. That's all for your Commodities Open. I'm Caitlin Sisney. Join us later today for the Commodities Recap right here on etvFutures.com.